Hi, it's Matt from the Intergalactic Herald. Just going over the Star Atlas News Recap number 65. You can find information about all the links mentioned at intergalacticherald.com, recap number 65. Tomorrow's World posted a video where he reviewed the Pierce X6 in the new latest Showroom 2.1 release. Metaverse Explorer posted a video where he discussed his strategies for getting R4 resources in Star Atlas. Metaverse Nomads posted a video of their weekly live stream on Star Atlas. The Hologram posted an article on Medium about the community proposal for the Star Atlas DAO, about the DAO owning claim stakes. AFIA published their weekly Star Atlas newsletter. The Hologram published an article on some of the comments from the Star Atlas team about the economic transition. Puck the Pirate posted a video updating some things that happened in Star Atlas. The Hologram published another article with a additional proposal from the Star Atlas community. Beyond the Horizon posted a video of some updates in Star Atlas. Again, if you'd like to find links to any of the things mentioned here, please go to intergalacticherald.com and look for News Recap 65. Thanks.